It's solid. It's solid. It's solid. It's solid. So just experimenting now with two green lasers. It's just a little bit higher powered than the other, but you know what? I think they look the same. Okay, one's slightly, probably the actual kind of rotation or such of the little the little kind of plastic mirror that's been cut up to a small size, super glued onto the diaphragm. And the other Pringle can, I'm not sure what was wrong with the other Pringle can. Probably some sort of tension, tightness on the actual thing. So I used the third Pringle can I had. Made another one up and it seems to work, but the beam seems to be going in an opposite direction, or the fluctuation of it, because it's not really sort of doing that sort of thing. It's just doing this because the beam's straight and it's just doing a flicker to specifics of the sound wave, of the frequency sound wave coming in and the resonance, and it's just doing you get a kind of like a motion blur flicker. It's just trying to, because I got these lasers in my way, I could put them behind me, as long as the beam still comes down and it's pointing. I'll just try that. Oh, I guess you could call it technically geometry and X, Y, and angle, rotations, tilt, height. Oh my goodness. So the lasers are slightly behind me now. One's slightly overhead, above. Otherwise, if it was too low, I'd be blocking its. Where's this? Yeah, that's the input. That's the input path there, and that's the input, and that's the output, sort of thing. That narrow beam there, that's the input, and that's the output there. Or more, rather, that's laser source. That's the mirror reflection. So laser source and the mirror reflection. So if I need the tilt angle slightly a little bit, and I only need to move it over a few degrees or such. See, from my point of view here, I've got kind of several angle perspectives. One where it looks like the beam is kind of like going like horizontal rather than that angle, whereas over on this side it's more like that angle rather than this angle. It's kind of like the actual sort of setting of I think the actual setting on the mirror, on the it's really technical so it's kind of trial and error, do alignment and testing. I like this effect here. It's almost a bit like Alien. You get this kind of like that effect when you go through it like a shadow. It's kind of like, only that Alien was a blue laser. So maybe I need a few more of these, a few more Pringle cans. It's getting a certain specific, because the balloon has a sort of like little bump in the sort of where it's drying, where it inflates, and then so I need to sort of have a specific. Otherwise, I like this effect on this one here. That one not too bad on that side, where it's kind of going, where it's kind of that sort of position. Whereas here, it's this sort of position angle. I think I could place them in front of the projection screen, but depending on how much, because I did test them, but I did have the SW off, muted. Some of the screen base went on, some of the sine wave. It did kind of almost reach down the angle and then just kind of made it flicker. So need more of this sort of like angle, sort of like going overhead, so to speak, and at floor level as well. And then this sort of angle here going more or less sidewalls, or you have this same sort of thing, but you get the rotation angle right, and so that you get I don't know, several going along the wall, the sidewalls, this angle, this sort of flicker, and then the other way, this angle. How I'm doing for the surrounds and the overheads? I think I've got that figured, but I haven't got anything yet to put in place to try it. There's another thing I could try that's probably react very differently. There's one there I can try, but it's rigging it all up. It's just rigging things up and then putting them in places, sort of like, so they don't look. It's technical. Maybe easy, but each and what each one anyone laser is thinking, still the way this one has been, even though it's going down, there's nothing making it fluctuate at the moment. You see all this, let's put a little bit more smoke in the room, not too much. Put a little smoke in the room. Yeah, you get that effect with the blue laser will turn up in a couple of days. I've got to see if see if they've got any others, red, yellows, purple ones, I think. I like the way the smoke is kind of doing like it appears like horizontal, even though it's three-dimensional. A little bit more. Of course, it's got the video projection laser. Because source smoke is only on one side, where it needs to be calculated with a tube output that would put specific amount. So I don't want too much, just want like a very fine, you know, just so then it adds more to the, otherwise it will then make, well, very foggy, where you can't usually see your hand in front of you. I've got something else in mind. I've got something else in mind, but I think that's just that one's really way over. Oh gosh, I think it's doable, but not that I've seen. I don't think maybe I've seen anything like it. Anyway, it's something I can visually see now. In say 500, 600 years ago or something, anyone trying to sort of see that sort of thing, they tie you to a stake. If you could get my meaning. Black magic. Ooh, witchcraft. I ain't saying what I'm thinking, but seeing, I think, that would be very kind of like, oh dear, I don't know. Maybe make you feel very, I don't know, dizzy or something. Yeah, I wonder what he's thinking. He's thinking, what the bloody hell are all these lasers? I could try another angle. See if I can try another angle. Let's have a little experiment. So still that one, that angle. takes a bit of doing.
This is Papa Dragon. I want this mission high and tight. I want to be home for dinner. Brother, I'm gonna punch a hole. You follow me through.
Only problem with the other laser, its battery. Whereas the other one's USB. So I've got to put this battery on charging now. Oh dear. Maybe I should get another one of the other ones. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It works, it's okay. Probably get another one of the other one. Actually, I could put that on voltage, DC voltage right now. It's for the positive negative terminal. Run it on a DC.